Then look at the picture below. We integrated the overall service architecture in XXJob and DolphinScheduler. And then the part that we need to transform, the first is actuator module for XXJob we need. When it starts, it can be automatically registered to our DolphinScheduler database table. For example, we need to translate the registry in XXJob. This function is realized again by itself. Overall docking service it is through Netty's server in Masters, the unification of request and response standards. What about this Oneto be XXJob compatible? You need to be compatible with the protocols of some of the services that respond to the request. So when the actuator is started, when sending registration, master listens and judges. This is the service of XXJob or DolphinScheduler's own service. So say, when transforming in master, we'll make judgments. This is compatible with our services. Then after we get this task of XXJob, we distribute tasks through master. This piece is the same as normal logic. And then on our server side, our API will access the corresponding server address. Then we will also read the execution log locally, and then return the statistics to DolphinScheduler. Finally, compatibility is realized. We are developing and practicing it internally. This is a lightweight requirement. Third-party system integration. With regard to the integration of related systems, background requirements are also set in our company. There are also many scheduled tasks. For example, like data quality and source data collection, there are already related scheduling products. Use your own scheduling products internally. For example, some use Uzi, or using the DataX Web, which is actually XXJob. We want to take advantage of DolphinScheduler's high availability, stability, and scalability. So I thought about whether I could achieve a unified standard, define the corresponding warehouse, and ultimately saves the data results. Finally, show the results right. Form a third-party extension workflow node. So we, also want to implement such a component. Implement this component. We are also in the master part. Why use the master part? First of all, the master itself is distributing tasks one by one. In fact, it is not particularly stressful. What about the second one? Inside us, the server manages more than 80 nodes. In fact, if you want to upgrade, if you are upgrading in Oak, in fact, it is necessary to upgrade more than 80 nodes. Maintenance costs are relatively high. So we chose master. Master's pressure is not particularly great. Therefore, we will stipulate it at this time of design. It will be stipulated that, his meal and the jacket address corresponding to our master server, then it will be sent to other systems. Then other systems are receiving one of ours. After the request, we'll read this configuration parameter. Then, by the way, put a parameter of your own scheduling task. I'll configure it for you, write it into the configuration center, and then our Netty in our DolphinScheduler, when reading the parameters of the third-party system, it will be analyzed. Because before we had put the server address corresponding to master.